What's up? So you want to start investing in the stock market, whether it be penny stocks or large companies, so forth and so on. Awesome. It's an excellent way to definitely make yourself some money in the long term. Unless you got buku bucks of cash, you can do day trading and make a crap load of money every single day. But most of us don't have buku bucks to invest into the marketplace. So we're going to have to take our time to learn and do our due diligence by being patient and letting our accounts grow, doing research to finding really good things to invest in. So it's good work. But you know what? Hey, what are you doing every day anyway? Spend a few extra hours watching Netflix and add an hour or two of your day doing some research on stocks and so forth and so on. So I'm gonna do a quick review of the RobinHood app, an app that I'm looking to start using over the course of the next 6 months to see what results I get. So this is the first review video of the RobinHood app, just to kind of go over some pros, some cons, and then I'll hook you up with some bonuses by the end of this video as well that will also help you to secure some money on a daily basis, just simply utilizing the internet. So we got the RobinHood app up in the Google Play Store. You can get it on the iTunes app as well, but I'm an Android guy, so that's why you see it here. So let's open it up real fast. One thing I love about RobinHood is the security. So no matter what, whether I take myself off of off the app, if I go to another app, if I close this out, no matter what, if I got to get back into it, I have to put in a security code, which is really cool component of the RobinHood app. All right, cool. So what you see now is I got a few bucks in the app. Uploaded a few bucks into the app just to get started, just to see how the whole bank transfer thing, how efficient it was, how quickly it was. The moment you secure, whatever amount of money you want to transfer to your bank to the app, it's going to be available. Although the transaction is currently in the process, it'll become available to you to start submitting trades and so forth and so on. So what you see on the screen here, also you'll see what it says pros. So I'll quickly go over the pros and cons, right? So one thing, this app makes trading stocks a game, all right, which is cool. Makes trading free, quick, and easy. Free is huge, okay? So there's no minimum to start investing. You just simply, whatever the stock price is what you pay, okay? There's $0 commissions in trading. A lot of apps, you have to pay to sell, you have to pay to buy, anything from $7 to $10 depending on which app you're using. And I'm gonna explain why they charge those fees a little later on. You get a free stock, and I get a free stock if you use the link below to actually get the RobinHood app. So it's a win-win. You get something free, I get something free. Awesome. And every time that you invite somebody else to use the RobinHood app, you get a free stock. So that's really cool. SIPC insured up to $500,000, just like any other brokerage firm, which is great. That's the Securities Investors Protection Corporation. So if a brokerage account decides to go belly up with your cash, you're able to get back, up to $500,000 back to you. Okay, there's a whole process for that. You can look up the SIPC up on your own time, because that's a whole nother conversation as far as securities insured money is concerned. Security code on the app, which we just went over. No minimum to start investing, just the price of the stock, which I mentioned, and simple navigation. So you can go from one place to the other with the RobinHood app. They have RobinHood Go, which you pay a little more and you get more bonuses with the RobinHood Go. It tells you whatever your free stocks are by simply inviting others, and then you get your free stock, which is cool. You also get a free stock for just utilizing the app itself. Okay, just unloading the app, just setting up the app, get a free stock. Go over your account, your banking information, your history. Super simplistic, okay? Super simplistic, and for that reason, there are some cons. App's not good for research and analysis, so there's not a lot you can do here as far as research and analysis. They'll have some articles that pop up for you, which is great. They have a basic stock ticker, which is cool, but it could be better. Lack of tools to watch the stocks, all right, which is part of the whole ticker process. Not many indicators and alerts for if you're watching stocks, right? So it's not a lot of tools for that at all, if any. Okay, other than things that you can use outside of the RobinHood app. There's plenty of apps you can use outside of the RobinHood app, eTrader, Google. Google got a few little things you can use. So you can leave the app and go use other apps for research and analysis. But most importantly, just to understand that when you use the RobinHood app, it's a no commission, $0 no commission trading. So they're not going to have all these crazy tools that Charles Schwab has, that E-Trade has, that Chase Bank has. They won't have all those tools because $0 commission trading. But it's a great starting point for someone who's brand new, who just wants to start dabbling into the stock market, because it can be super overwhelming. If you ever looked at Chase's dashboard on the internet, right, it's bananas. And if you don't know what you're doing, it could be really overwhelming and you can run away. And that's how a lot of the other bigger firms are, because their desktops are created for you to, buy and sell and research and things of that nature. But the apps themselves are just add-ons. They're just extra tools. The RobinHood app, it is a app it's specifically designed to be an app to help you do some trading, some buying and selling and stuff like that. So really, really, really good starter point to use the RobinHood app. I dig it so far, and every week I'm just going to keep investing money into the app and buying more stocks and stuff like that to try to get what I'm going in my other accounts at E-Trade and Chase and so forth and so on. Okay, so it's a good starting point. Fantastic. Now, if you decide to get the RobinHood app so you can start dibbling and learning and checking the app out, you can use the link below this video. That's my invite link, so I'll get a free stock and you'll get a free stock. But if you use that link, I'm going to give you a free online marketing system. I'm going to give you my 8-step routine ebook, How to End Procrastination and Build a Dynamic Business Online in 90 Days. And I'm also going to give you my 8-step routine program, which has over, I think, 12 or 13 videos where I specifically break down the components of internet marketing and how you can get yourself to $100 plus a day fairly quickly if you follow the instructions as far as internet marketing and affiliate marketing is concerned. So those things will be yours. So as soon as you download the app and you get things going and you set it up the way you should be, you can then email me and let me know you did so, and I'll send over those free gifts right to your inbox. And then from there, you can check things out and so forth and so on. All right. So this is your boy Mike Williams. I hope you like this quick review. I'm going to come back with another RobinHood review after about 3 months, just to kind of update you guys on my progress with the app and what I've been learning, what I dislike, what I like, and so forth and so on. But at this point, I think it's pretty cool, and it's a great starting point for anybody that's interested in start trading and getting into the stock market. All right, it's your boy Mike Williams. Peace.